The emergency alert system has been activated at the request of the Illinois government. This is not a test. Hours ago, a sinkhole was found in the city of Chicago that has started to grow at a rapid pace. Scientists are not sure what the cause of the sinkhole is. There have been rumors that it's the end of the world, or that the government has something to do with it. We advise that all citizens in Chicago start evacuating to the following places: Springfield, Bloomington, Rockford, etc. Warning, warning. All residents of Chicago are ordered to evacuate immediately. The sinkhole has swallowed most of downtown Chicago and is growing larger by the seconds. The U.S. Army is expected to arrive near Chicago to help secure residents to safety. Get important necessities such as food, water, clothes, etc. Evacuate to the Spring Immediate Evacua, Chicago, Sink 5 Mina Bloomin. Now.